Hi, so this is on a Nissan Micra, the year 2018 model. So it's kind of one of the newer models. They call it the All New Nissan Micra. And what happened was, I was driving down the road and my tyre warning light came up. Now, a lot of people worry when they see this, and they kind of not panic, but they worry about it and they wonder what's happened. Well, unless you get a sign up saying that you've lost air pressure and you've got a deflated tyre, you know that it's just a sensor warning. So I'm just going to quickly explain to you how I fix these things. So basically what you can do first is to find out which tyre has the problem. So before you turn your engine off, this is before you turn, so don't turn your engine off when this happens, all right, because then you can see it better. So the first thing you do is you want to access the tyre pressures on the settings in the middle. So what you can do is scroll to the right. Let me just get this in focus for you. So you can scroll to the right and you wait till the speed one changes and you'll see your tyre one come up. Hopefully this will work because I haven't stopped the engine. There you go. Now you can clearly see there that I have a problem with my front left tyre. You can see there that my front left tyre is not registering. The car can't read it. So the computer in the car is saying something's wrong with your front left tyre. Now it's not telling me I'm down on air, and that's because it's not coming up as low tyre warning. So I know that it's a sensor problem. Now what we can do to fix this and to turn the light off is to tell the engine, or to tell the computer, to read the tyre again. So what we do is we recalibrate it. So what we can do is carry on scrolling right. So we're always scrolling right on the button, yeah, until we get to what we call settings. Once we get to the settings, we can press the OK button and then scroll down. Let me just make sure it's in focus for you. And go past the maintenance. A lot of people stop at the maintenance, but go past it and you'll see one called tyre pressures. So if you click on that one, OK, and it will bring up something called calibrate. And if you press that one, or OK, then go to start, press start, and when I press that, the tyre pressure warning light should go out because I'm telling the computer to recalibrate all my tyres. So I press that and it will go out. So it's resetting all the tyre pressures, as you can see. So now it's out. So now the computer's read the tyre again and said, okay, I know you're back again, no problem. Okay. And then you can just carry on scrolling right until you get back to your speed. Okay. Nice and simple. Now, if it comes back on again within an hour, then you can either do that process all over again, just in case. And I would do that a couple of times, just in case. And if it comes back up, then you need a new valve on your tyre, because the sensor that does that is literally the other side of the valve. It's part of the valve. So what's probably happened is you might have had a tyre changed recently or something like that, and it's got damaged or something like that. So basically the best thing to do is to have a new valve fitted. All right, hopefully that will help, and then you might have to recalibrate it again after they've replaced the new valve. All right, and you'll have to go to Nissan's or something like that and get the proper one. All right, I hope that helps, and so yeah, preferably that's what you need to know. All right, so thanks for listening.